Hello everyone. Today, Chef Bobby is going to show us how to cook duck breast.
Smoked duck breast.
Smoked duck breast.
This is the very sauce, very compost sauce. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, celeriac puree, celeriac, salt, pepper, cream, some butter. This is very simple, easy, guys. Bit of salt. Very nice, got the mushroom here. Some vegetables. Baby zucchini is very nice, you can see from here. Yeah.
Warming up.
Yeah.
Food warming up. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, warming up.
Okay. How beautiful is coming here. Easy, simple, nice. It's already done. Done. Okay. Leave the pasta puree for that. With a very compost sauce. Salt, peppers. Peppers. Simple, easy. You can get it from Shenma. Lamb mince, guys. Little bit of here. This with the tomato sauce, some pine nut, salt, pepper, some black peppers. Okay. This bread is very soft bread. It's coming from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka bread. Okay. Little bit reheat, like almost like similar with the brioche. We're gonna put it here. Lamb keema, like lamb mince, mix up salt a little bit. Reheat. You place in the top of the bread slowly, nice. Don't put in the plate on the down, otherwise getting the roasted pine nuts. Simple, easy, guys. Okay, easy. You can put some roast.
Hello Chef Bobby, what you going to make for us?
I'm gonna make some pad thai noodles. Thai cuisine.
Pad Thai noodles, huh? This is Thailand, right? Bangkok.
Yeah.
Okay. What you add there? There is garlic, right? Sawadee krap. Okay, you can tell us what you are going to good. Garlic, onion,
Yeah.
and pad thai.
Onion, some oils and sauce for the pad thai sauce.
Pad thai.
Yeah.
No.
Now for some of the prawn here.
Okay, some prawns. Okay.
Maybe some vegetables. So almost ready for the pad thai.
Some vegetable, carrot,
Yeah. Some Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage, carrot,
Onions. Already inside here. Okay. So
spring onion. Oh, it looks delicious, huh?
bit of salt,
Some salt,
some of pepper,
some black pepper,
and some chili.
chili flakes.
Yeah. Some of chili.
Yeah. Of course, should be spicy, right?
Yeah. Okay, nice, very nice, beautiful plate of meat.
Okay. You're going to plate up? Okay. I'm coming there.
You can see here.
Oh, very nice.
Looks nice, delicious. Once again, we have some roasted peanut here. Some stray salads. Some of chilies. Some spring onion. Yes, you can serve the guests. Very nice, delicious.
Of Samas.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, good, good. What you going to make for us of Samas?
Today we are going to do the pandam pancake with the nuts and the mango.
Nuts and mango, yes.
By the way, Mustafa, he's my educated pastry chef. Also
Yes.
very nice, delicious pastry food.
Yes,
Okay,
thank
please
you.
go ahead.
Thank you so much.
Here we have the pancake batter.
Yes.
So we
We
go.
go with it like that, like a pancake.
Yeah. This pancake is infusion with the pandam. With the flavor will come with the pandam
Ah, okay.
and the coconut milk
Yeah.
as well as.
Here is mango.
Lemons, mango,
This one,
pistachio,
pistachio,
yellow raisin,
raisin,
red currant, and
and
roasted
then
almond
roast.
slice.
Ah, okay. This is honey.
This is honey, yes.
Okay. Now we have to wait that one.
Like 1 minute. We have to wait the 1 minute. Then we will turn like that.
Okay.
Now we know.
Now it's ready, right?
Now it's ready.
Now we're going to.
Now we are going to find the pandam cream.
What is that cream?
Pandam pastry cream.
Pandam pastry cream.
Pandam
Oh,
flavor. Yeah.
like that. Wow.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Thank you. Here we going to put some mango.
And some mango.
Mango. And some red currant. Some almond.
Almond. Some white
Some
raisin.
yellow raisin. And some pistachios.
Pistachio. And some honey. Need to good honey also.
Honey will go put it on top.
Ah, okay.
Now we are going to wrap it as a roll. We are going
Yes. Yes. Yes.
to
Cut by two.
we're going to cut it like this way. then we can go.
Oh, honey on the top, yeah. Very nice. You can put some like raisin, some pistachio.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Enjoy.
Yes, thank you so much.
Bon
I'm
appetit.
going to eat. Merci
Bon
beaucoup.
appetit.
Merci beaucoup. Hello, Chef Bobby.
Hi, Mustafa.
Hi, Chef Raju. How are you? What do you have today?
Today we have at Tandoori Station actually. Raju is Indian chef, so he's going to prepare some Indian cuisine. So we have
Okay.
naan is here,
Naan, paratha.
and chicken tikka. He's making already.
Oh, it looks nice,
So
huh?
we have here
Delicious.
the lamb tikka over here. So you
Okay.
can see.
That is how you cook tikka, right?
Yeah, it's cooking the tikka. Look
That
how
is lamb.
beautiful in the charcoal oven.
Okay.
Chef Raju is going to cook.
Okay, Chef Raju.
About that. Okay.
Can you explain to us what is this chicken tikka?
Chicken tikka is Indian tikka is normally yogurt and some Indian marination like chili powder, coriander powder, curry powder,
Alright.
and with like Arabic flavor also.
Like similar to Arabic, right?
Yeah.
And lamb tikka,
Lamb tikka also same like
Same, but
this marination
different-
is white.
different color, right?
Yeah, and
Okay.
different flavors.
Different flavor also. And for the other one, fish, right?
Still not cooking.
Still not cooking fish. Oh, when? We are waiting for the guest, right? Okay. And that one, paratha, right?
Small paratha.
Yes, Chef Mahan also is here. Chef Mahan is coming. He is the professional also in Indian food. How are you, Chef Mahan? Good?
Very good.
Today I think you are here, right? Okay. Chef Bobby, can you come to explain to us, Chef Mahan, what he is doing and
He's the best person in the Finola
Yeah,
family.
yeah.
He prepares so many things, Indian cuisine, international cuisines. He worked a lot of resort. So now he recently he joined with us. So he's really helping to us to make the best cuisine or famous Indian cuisine. So
Okay, thank you, chefs. Thank you so much. I will try your food, huh? I have to try.